Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your device meets essentials: Google app or built-in assistant, active Google account, and microphone allowed. Open Settings, then Apps to ensure the Google app is installed and updated. Once done, tap the Google app and accept microphone and location permissions so voice activation will work. Make sure battery saver is off and the language is set to one assistant supports. You're now ready to trigger Assistant using the first active command method, described next. Next, you pick how to activate Assistant and configure its behavior. Go to Google App More Settings Google Assistant, then choose Voice Match to train Hey Google so it recognizes you. If your phone supports a gesture or button launch, enable that under Device Features. For smart speakers, finish the on-screen setup. Once enabled, adjust Assistant language and voice so responses are natural. Test with a short query to confirm recognition before moving to routine creation and shortcuts. Finally, complete setup by creating a routine or shortcut for frequent commands so Assistant feels personal. Test each trigger. Say, Hey Google, use the gesture, or press the Assistant button to verify consistent response. If it fails, restart your device, confirm microphone and Google app permissions, and check Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure Do Not Disturb and battery optimizers aren't blocking background activity. If problems persist, retrain Voice Match and reinstall the Google app to reset recognition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.